muscle, you still require skill. But for instance, a 10-year-old girl can make and sell chain. A boy is doing 7-year apprenticeship. So to make the big stuff, you need a lot more muscles. You need to be a lot older. So now what we're going to do?
Horseshoe he's going to make.
Hammer down the ends.
ऐसे बनती थी आयरन की चीज़ें, ऐसे बनती थी। आयरन को पहले गर्म करते हैं उधर, फिर उसको ऐसे करते हैं, फिर पानी में डालते हैं। इसी तरह से ऊपर वाले ड्रामे में करता है ना। मेरे को बना रहा है। horseshoe बनाने का इसके पाँव के नीचे लगता है।
So of course the most famous chain made in the Black Country for the most famous ship. The one which was advertised as unsinkable, but it failed quite spectacularly to live up to that reputation of being unsinkable. Do you know the ship we're on about? The Titanic. This cylinder on the floor here is the same thickness of the Titanic chain links, made in Netherton by the Noah Hingley Company. Now the idea of an anchor and chain, I think you all know, it is to keep the ship still. So by that measure, the chain and anchor is still currently doing its job even after all these years, because that ship has not moved anywhere anytime soon, has it? Suppose the other thing we could say that still works on the Titanic is the pool. The pool, after all, is still full of water even after all this time. It's just a joke, ladies and gentlemen. Just a joke about a national tragedy. I'm only trying to lift the mood. I'm only trying to break the ice. Okay, so the only thing holding this link together is a hope and a prayer. So now we're going to turn up the heat and we're going to forge weld it together. So we heat it up to where the metal is molten, striking it, fusing it together permanently. This results in shards of red hot metal shooting out hither and thither and all over the place. I don't know where they're going to go. I don't know whose t-shirts they're going to burn a hole through. Hopefully mine, but if you are standing by the chain, it could be yours. So I recommend everyone spreading out and taking a step back. This is the part of chain making which will be ruining your eyesight, because you're looking into the very hottest part of the forge, looking for little sparks, almost like a little sparkler down there. Blink and you'll miss them. There we go. All right, back away from the chain, ladies and gents. Does anyone like the Prodigy? Does anyone like Firestarter?
Wait.
Dangerous bits over, folks. You can come back closer
It's
now.
okay, we will get another one.
Now we're finishing off the link with a foot-operated Tommy Armour.
No problem, we can get it, don't worry. Okay, don't worry.
And there you go, folks. A fully welded link and chain made the old-fashioned way. If you have any questions or queries, stick around and ask, or if not, enjoy the rest of your day here at the museum. Cheers, folks.
Thank you.